What's up everybody, Matt Maran here, and I am at Steele Autobody. If you remember Steele Autobody from my other videos here, they are the ones that fixed the Mustangs in the past whenever I got hit twice, first by a motorcyclist, then by a tree in my previous Mustang GTs. They did excellent work, and so whenever I took delivery of my 2019 Mustang Bullitt at the dealership, which was 4 hours away, a lot of you were like, oh, I wouldn't have taken delivery, but it was like, I didn't want to wait another however many weeks to have some unknown body shop fix it. I know Lebanon Ford probably had a great body shop, but I wanted to use my own body shop that I knew and had experience with, and so that's why Lebanon Ford, they paid for the entire repair, you know, so they were really awesome about that, even though it wasn't their fault, it was the truck driver's fault, so, you know, but they made sure to cover it, and so I wanted to make sure I kept the paint as original as possible. It's a brand new car. The last thing I want to do is paint the entire door, have to blend it in with other body panels, do a bunch of repaint and hoping it matches. I mean, like I said, they do excellent work here, but I just didn't want to go through all that hassle. So I wanted to just do a minor touch up and have them kind of buff and wet sand it out, and so they were able to make it look a lot lighter. It's still not perfect, but that's okay because that's what I wanted. They could have made it perfect by just completely starting from scratch and repainting the door, or really taking off a bunch of paint, or really doing more extensive work and blending and stuff, but I just would rather they didn't do that, so that's why it's not perfect, but it does look so much better. And again, I honestly don't think anyone will notice it unless you have watched this video and know what to look for. So I'm going to show you here real quick. So just looking at it right now, can you see anything? No. Then you get closer still, and then you might see it start to show up there. I mean, that scratch, if you look at the original shot, was so bright. Now it is so faint that you have to be staring and looking for it. And they just did touch up there around here. Again, I didn't want them to, you know, have to grind anything off and repaint and stuff. So they just did a very good seamless touch-up job there, and filled that in nicely. So like I said, you can still see it a tiny little bit, but honestly, like I said, I am perfectly happy with that. And like I said, it could have been done perfectly. Steele Autobody is more than capable of having it be 100% perfect. Like I said, this is my choice. That's what I wanted. And so again, this isn't a show car. This isn't a car I'm going to be waxing every weekend and, you know, taking to every car show 3 times a week. I am driving this car. I want to put 200,000 miles on this thing. It will get dings. It will get scrapes and scratches. You know, I did do as much as I could, you know, wrapping the front end with the Expel paint protection film, so the front end at least will be protected from rock chips, but I know I'm going to get door dings. I'm going to park it in parking lots. I'm going to, you know, like I said, put hopefully, you know, a couple 100,000 miles on it here over my lifetime of owning it, and so, you know, I think that's going to be great. And it also kind of takes a little bit of stress off of me. I don't have to obsess over keeping it perfect. It's already had its first little ding, and you know, it's not perfect, but that's okay. It's mine. I absolutely love it, and like I said, I think it's absolutely perfect. And so I'm just excited to start adding on these miles and start driving more and more, and it's almost broken in, so that's great too. But anyway, I just want to give you guys a little update there on that. So let me know your thoughts in the comments about what you would have done. I'm sure many of you will chime in and say, should have just repainted the whole door and stuff. But like I said, for me, I think that's, you know, what I'm happiest with. So anyway, thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.